Like we teased you about yesterday, there's going to be waterfalls today, and we're going to have a private tour guide.
Yes, we are joining up with Laura, the owner of Experience the Finger Lakes, which is a local tour company, to go and see the fabulous falls of Cayuga Lake.
That's right.
Very excited.
Oh, it's going to be fun, and it's been raining every single day, but I see sun up there right now. So if we can get this in the morning before the thunderstorms hit, I think we'll be good to go. So let's
go
hope,
see some waterfalls.
Let's hope that happens. Fingers crossed.
What we're focusing on today is going to be taking you to waterfall stops that you're really not going to usually find on your own. I'm just going to try to cool it down a little bit. A large international university like Cornell provides, but you have the feel and the livability and all the access and all this and the camaraderie and all that small townness through just kind of getting, finding out and going to state parks. State parks are phenomenal. And so once you have a grist mill come out, then it's warm, then all the people living on their homesteads up and down either side.
Okay, wow, we're only at the first waterfall, and we've learned so much more so far than what we normally learn when we do these kinds of things, because we're on our own. We've learned Revolutionary War history, we've learned geography about shale and 30 million years of geography or about the inland sea. So much. And there's a lot more to come. Plus, gorgeous waterfall, cascading waterfall. That's why it's called Cascadilla Falls.
That is for Cornell, and he came to him and said, you will be a partner of mine in the U.S. Telegraph Company.
Money away.
And so he was, at the time, was a member of the New York State Senate, and as a member of the New York State Senate, he was. So where do they cut us off this ridge? And they will wobble, so prepare for that. And we're going to go around to the middle is where I'm going to go, and if you want to kind of continue up over on the other side and come back, you can. A couple of things I want to point out about. Comes out and goes down below to that wall, which is an outpost where you get an incredible view of that waterfall right straight up. And it's not a long walk at all. It's a 15-minute walk down to get
on the campus of Cornell University.
We are. Get to have a campus tour and history along with waterfalls.
That's right.
We have seen 3 or 4 waterfalls now here on the Cornell campus. Gorgeous. Didn't know there were this many waterfalls on campus, both natural and man-made, or a combination of the two here at BB Lake.
I think it's the on-campus part that makes it so unique. I didn't know there were so many waterfalls actually on the campus. Not just around the campus, but on the campus. You don't even have to leave.
No, and there are 100 waterfalls within 10 square miles here in Ithaca.
Oh man, so much water. If you're an Arizonan, it's special. It's special to you.
Really, it's special to anyone. If you like waterfalls like you know we do, this is like waterfall mecca.
Oh, it's the mecca, all right. And a beautiful day for this
tour
as well. We totally lucked out on that one. So for our fourth and final step, or waterfall,
Yep.
Ithaca Falls.
Ithaca Falls, which I think she said was 150 feet up or something like that.
Yeah.
We get to go really close to it though, so I'm excited about this one.
Our tour guide has to take one of the guests back, and then she's going to come back to pick us up. So we're going to have a little bit more time out here to scramble around, see what we can find. But she implored us to go all the way to the top so we can see it from close, which we probably would have done anyway, but that just solidifies the fact that we need to do this. Oh. Ithaca is gorgeous. Play on words.
There's a lot of gorges here from all the different creeks. We've gone to 2 different creeks today. The Falls Creek, which is where we are now. And I'm not remembering what the other one was. The Cascadilla.
Yes, that was the first one.
Gorge. So, amazing. So many beautiful waterfalls, so much history, both natural history and history of the area in terms of like people and settlement and everything. And Laura, our tour guide, knows it all, so it's been really educational and super fun. So if, like us, you love waterfalls, but you want to maybe get a little bit more history of the area, about the falls, about Ithaca, highly recommend this tour. It's only 2 hours, 2.5 hours long by experienced Finger Lakes, because I think we experience the waterfalls so much better now than if we had just done it on our own.
And they give you fig Newtons.
Yes, there are snacks
and
inside.
Snacks.
Steve likes the snacks.
Yeah, the fig Newtons are pretty good.
After our fabulous falls tour yesterday, which truly was fabulous, now we are at the Ithaca Farmers Market for the morning before we head to our meetup in about an hour.
Let's do it.
Those make some pretty cheese plates, like that one right there. Yep. Nice cheese turkey plates.
Okay, I was gonna say, because I'm not sure how much.
That's all maple sugar candies. And maple, that is cool. I've never seen that
Maple
before.
cotton candy.
Thank you.
All right, we're on our way out. There wasn't much in the way of produce and stuff, but there's a lot of other things, tons of cideries.
Yes, lots of ciders,
Lots of
you can
tastings
taste,
that
wine,
you can do.
So many bakeries.
Lots of bakeries, lots of
and then
breads, lots of wine, or cider.
Lots and lots of like restaurant style like things you could buy. So they had like Thai food and Cambodian and Korean and Cuban. I saw a bunch of different kinds. It looked really good. But we're going to get food now, so not going to do that here. Just finished up our meetup at Ithaca Ale House. Thanks everyone who came out and met up with us. It was fun as always. Lots of fun conversations and some delicious burgers.
Burgers were good.
Yeah, food there was quite nice.
So was the bacon popcorn we got at the farmer's market.
It's not bacon.
Oh, maple.
Maple, yes. So yeah, fun day in Ithaca and more fun adventures to come.
Now I want bacon popcorn.
we might be able to make that happen later in the Airstream. We'll see. But yes, and I'm trying to think what the next thing we're doing is. I think it might be more exploring of wineries and breweries, of course, because
why not?
Why not? But that will be another day. We will see you then. Bye, guys. You wouldn't know we just ate burgers because he's gonna chow down on that popcorn. It's maple. It's like dessert.
Maple popcorn. Come on. It's good.